my name is Maris van der Walt. I'm the owner of 85Hp Tuning and Repairs. We're also the head branch for Tune to Race in Johannesburg. Today we're going to show you how we tune not basically stock, but GT50 Golf 6R from a stock file to a tuned file. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so basically today what we're going to do is we're going to do ECU removal on this car. The software file is still 100% stock. This car averages around 184 kilowatts, 350 Nm of torque on the wheels at the moment. We're hoping to get around extra 50 to 60 kilowatts and around 100 Nm of torque extra on a daily file tune. Today we're going to show you, we're going to do ECU removal, do the actual bench flash on this ECU, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So basically what we're going to show you today is where the ECU is situated and where we're going to remove it from, and then from here we're going to the bench area where we're going to do the actual bench. So the ECU is situated in the back of the engine compartment just below the window. As you can see, this cover will be lifted up. The ECU is right below the window. We'll just be pulling out the ECU. This is basically pretty simple plugs. You'll be just pulling out this lever here, plugging out this plugs. Same from the other side here, plugging out this plug. Okay, so this is basically the ECU. We'll be doing the reading and writing processor, afterwards doing the soldering work onto the ECU, and then let's see what power this car makes. Okay, so basically what we have here is the K-tag tool, which we will be using to do the K-tag. This is basically how the tool looks. You can have a look at that. Manufacturers from Alien Tech. Then what we will be using is our basically USB cable, the power cable, and my little special tool that I've made specially for this ECU. So we will basically be taking this cable here. This will be connecting right to the computer box, to the processor. As you can see, this is 10 cables. This will connect to the programming pad where we will start the reading and writing process. This is your standard ECU computer box for the Golf 6R. We will basically be connecting onto this programming pad right over here, which is 10 wires, and then the reading and writing process will start from here. Okay, so the soldering iron is set to 450 degrees, where we will now start the soldering process. So the soldering process is done. We're now going to start the reading process, then tuning the file, and then flash the mod back onto the ECU. So basically we're going to just select the type of ECU and protocol that we're going to use. As you can see here, we'll be selecting Volkswagen Golf 6 5K 2 litre 16-valve TFSI-R with the engine type is the CDL-F. Once we select that, this will be the instructions that's given to us. Once we select OK, we'll get the option to select which ECU to use. We'll use VAG in this situation, and then we'll start the reading process. Okay, the writing process has been done. We'll be now removing the wiring and get the ECU back into the vehicle. Okay, so the ECU has been sealed with waterproof silicone. We'll be now closing it and get it back into the vehicle. So our ECU is sealed, ready for installation. We'll install the ECU and let's see what power we get on the dyno. So the remapping has been done and we got quite impressive results. We got kilowatt gains from 184 to 246 kilowatts and 350 newton meters of torque to 491 newton meters of torque. Please note, this is stock injectors in this car, no modifications done on the fuel system at all. We will be looking into doing the injectors early next year to up the boost. This is also a 95 fuel, no octane added to this power at all. Okay guys, so this complete job has been done with a K-Tag. It's a very advanced tool which can do multiple vehicles. So if you want your car tuned, you can come visit us or visit our website www.hmauto.co.za. If you are not situated in Joburg, we have dealers right all over the country, Cape Town, Paul, wherever you want to, and we'll sort your vehicle out for you for maximum performance and high fuel efficiency.